Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 8 of Baby Got Scraps. You guys, I feel very, very elated because I have continued to get ahead and ahead and ahead, and I'm just so happy. Usually I'm making these like a few days before the layouts are due to go up on my channel, and it is December 22nd, and I'm already at January 8th layouts. So I'm feeling good because I do have a bunch of fun announcements that you already heard by the time that you watch this video, but just to be on the safe side, I don't want to talk about it, so I will be able to give those a whole bunch of, my full attention. I've also spent the day cleaning and organizing. I did order some like new shelving and storage space for my desk on Temu, and now I realize that I've got to do some other ones just so that I can get things in, but everything is starting to not just be in like piles on my desk of stuff that I want to use. So today's prompt for myself is sequins. So I'm going to go ahead and use Grimtails and Maze Days. And you guys, I found all my sequins. And I know that people probably have way more than this, but this is a lot for me. So I need to start this little thing right here is just chocked full of sequin mixes. So I gotta start pulling these in, making some fun shakers and stuff, right? Alright, let me get that back up there. Yeah, that's scary. So I'm going to use my double shot kit from November from the scrap room. We're going to do these two photos. He didn't know I was taking a picture. Then he see me and he was like, hello. We're at the Jake's Leg concert, so I was sitting in the back of the car. I have got 2 sticker sheets. So we've got these 2 right here. We've got some little elements and then some fun little tags and labels. I've got some of these little elements. So we've got some puffies and all kinds of some other little die cuts. We'll pull those out later. Laters? That's not a word. Anyway, all right, what do we have here? So we've got this beautiful one. Might work. Where's my photos? Let's just see. That could work. So then I'm going to pull in my phone, sorry, some of these smaller paper pads here that are like almost used up. So I'm going to focus on these for the next few layouts and hope I can just kill these mini paper pads because that's my product focus for the month. And it's Baby Got Scraps. I don't know how many scraps. These are what I'm focusing on getting rid of. So I've got that one. That one. Oh. We've got that one. Okay, so we're going to just use that one. Yes, I do. All right. Stick these back in there, and now let's find out. So here's what I'm kind of thinking. So we're going to do like photo here and photo here, kind of center, and then I want to put 2. I'm going to put a shaker here and a shaker here, but I got to mat them and back them and do all the fun things. So let's see what's in this one. Let's see if we can pull anything in from this one. We may be able to get that one in there as just a small, look, yes. Okay. So, oh, can you guys hear that? My tummy is growling. All right, then we have this paper pad. So what year is this from? This is from 2017 Fancy Pants, you guys. That is why I'm trying to use this stuff up. I was also thinking maybe that one, but no. Oh, these are double-sided. No, it's going to be the wrong blue. I might be able to use that. Maybe that. No, who's messaging me? So let's pull that back and let's use these 2. Okay. This one, I'm not 100% sure. Probably not. Oh, look, I used that to swatch something. This one's probably going to be a no as well, but I just want to look just to be on the safe side. Yep. That seems like the red. Right? I don't know. I think I'm reaching more than anything to try to get some of these used up, but oh, you know what? I know what I'm going to do. Hold on. Yes. I'm going to create shaker pockets out of these two. Oh, and then for the love of the Lord, we're just going to use it. So that's another one used up. I think that's 3 now, so I'm super excited. Okay. All right. So we've got those. We're going to mat our photos in those, and then we're going to create our shaker pockets with these. Oh, wait, there was one more. Hold on. That's not going to work. Not going to work at all. So we need, all right, so we're going to mat, one, that one, I think, and then we'll mat with those two. All right. We'll actually mat these first, then we'll go with this. So it'll be like that. All right, so we're going to mat the photos. We're going to make the shaker pockets out of these. I'm going to go ahead and make the shaker pockets, and then I'll come right back. All right, so because I made such large shaker pockets to complete what I had going on here, I pulled in 4 packs, not just 2. So I used all of the Maze Days, all of the Grim Tales, all of the Flour Sack, and all of the Calico print. There are a few left in there, but I just couldn't get them out, and I had such a trouble with this one. Like, the phone was poppy. It was bad. It was just bad, so I was just like, I'm good. Oh, and to add a little bit of sparkle, I added some of these loose gems from Close to My Heart in the red, just for a little something. You know, they fit in there way better than they do now. Anyway, so now let's see what we have going on here. Okay. So, because for some reason I don't know, it just didn't work out. It wasn't straight. I'm going to get this like over there. So, because it's a big shake, right? So we're going to put that there. What do we have? I don't know. It's just a little home. I mean, I know we weren't home, but any place he is my home. So let's take the red one, the orange one, and the blue one. Let's just be fun about it with the little labels here. We're just going to go ahead and get those put. We're going to go right on there. Yeah, we're just going to do it. Okay. This guy. Oh, is that even straight? It's going to have to be because it's not coming up now. We'll fill in some of that. Just pop that right down there. This cute little, the best part of fall. We're just going to line that up. know if I'm digging that. I'm kind of thinking that's all looking really stupid, you guys. So let's just undo that. You guys can do it. Come on. Yep. Yep. There you go. Okay. And move this right there, and then we'll put this little guy down here. Okay. So we got that. The best part will fall right here. These three. That one there. And I'm going to put this here because I want to build a little cluster here. That's really what I'm going for. Okay. Put the little fox on there. Right. We're going to do Warm Hearts as our title. I know it's a little baby title, but it's still a title. We got Warm Hearts. And this as well, just to kind of beef this little floral piece up there. There, see if we got anything else that we can add. Two more. No, that was not. Wasn't feeling that after I started it, so let's just put that back. See what else is on this list. Little fox. Fox with socks. That's right, I did it. I said it. I'm ashamed of myself. That one there. I know I'm covering the bird up, but quite frankly, I'm really okay with it. Not a big fan of the birds. I like birds. I'm just, what do they really have to do with my layout? What is the fox? Well, because it's foxy, I want to use that blue. And then we'll get something. Oh, could have looked over here. This one just kind of looks like it's clipped. Okay. Whoa, I almost knocked my whole coffee down, guys. That would not have been cool, man. Actually, I gotta remember where all of my stuff is. Moved it all around. I do not know why I say around like that. I really don't. It's kind of annoying to me, so I'm sure it's annoying to you, and I do apologize. But I've caught myself doing that a lot lately, and I don't know what that's about. I'm going to put this. Well, no, we're not. That one right there. So the acetate piece that I used was like, a sticker sheet. And obviously nothing is sticking to it. So let's just make it stick, right? Otherwise, it's not going to work out well for me. Okay. because we're going to be like having things all around. Every time I say it, I think of it. So I'm like, oh. All right, let's put this stuff back in here. Because we can get a ton more layouts done. Oh, hello, little piece that tried to escape. Why would you try to run away? It would be perfect for this layout. Okay. And I'm going to come in and see, what do we have? Just seeing some. All right. We can use the there, there, here, here, and then right up here. Well, tag. All right, so we did get some of those used up. I totally seen these earlier, and I moved them because it was like totally forgot I had them. So these are from Spiegel Mom Scraps, just in case you guys were wondering. And we're gonna pop them down. No one told me that that just was not. Oh. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and pop one of those there. Pop this guy right. Oh, wait, I like that side better. I don't think it. I think this is the cut side. Probably supposed to use the other side. Okay, we'll put this back over there. And definitely fulfilled the prompt today. And let's pull in the gold. Really digging the gold stars. Let's get one of them right here. I just think they're just cute little epoxies. Whoa. Cute little epoxy stars. Cute, 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 cute. Put one over here. And when they're so, I love the fact that you can just mix the sequins. Like you can take the mixes that are already pre-mixed for you and mix them. But this one was fun. I did do, you know, the fun ticket background because we're at a concert. So that's fun and done. And that is another layout done. And I still didn't break scraps. I'm like prepared to break them. I'm just trying not to. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in with my kit. And that's going to do it. So don't forget to check everyone else out that's playing along. And I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.